It's here. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Feather and welcome back to another video. And today I want to talk to you about this. This is the iPad Magic Keyboard, and I've been waiting for a long time to get my hands on this. I'm super excited about this, and I don't really want to waste your time, so let's get to the point. This Magic Keyboard is sold directly by Apple. You can pick one up for about $300 for the 11-inch version, which is this one, and $350 for the 12.9-inch version. All that means that this is by far the most expensive keyboard I've ever bought. And I thought that the Magic Keyboard for the Mac was expensive. Oh my god. You know what? I don't know how I feel about paying $300 for an iPad keyboard, but I guess we'll see that in a minute. This thing's heavy though. I don't know how I feel about that either. Alright, so the moment of truth is here. I'm gonna open it up. Alright, okay, here we go. Alright, satisfying, yes, this is satisfying. Alright. Are you kidding me? You know what? Yeah, that's more like it. Here we go. Bye-bye. Oh my god, for real? Oh, wow. So, let's take this one up. That's it? Okay. Oh, I see it now. Alright. Peel this off. Okay. This is satisfying. You know, it should be like this. This is the most expensive keyboard I have ever bought in my life. It should feel like this. Oh, wow. Oh, okay, I get it now. Oh, wait, oh, yeah. What's in here? Okay. All right. Let's see what we got. Yep, all right, okay, yep. This is the instructive. I think it wasn't necessary. So, okay, here we go, bye-bye. Oh my god, I'm super excited about this. It feels great though. Obviously I haven't tried it, but this feels so good. This should go right here. All right. Oh my god, I get it now. This feels so good. It really does. Feels well made. Feels great. Oh my god. Yes. Oh yeah. I really like it. I get it now. You know, this is not a full review because I actually have to use it first to be able to review it, but this looks incredible. It really does. Looks great. My god, this feels great. Let me go back to notes app and oh yeah. Yes. You know what? I really like it. I really do. I get it now. Come here. I'm gonna let you hear it. Sounds great. And on that note, it's time for me to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. The full review is gonna be coming in the next few days. So if you like this video, smash that like button. And if you subscribe, I would be so very thankful. I hope you guys are doing great and I'll see you on the next one.